The second clip is around ledgers for wages and electricity, basically anything that are expenses. So again, if you can double click and that way we can type in. Oh. Alright, so we're going to start off with the opening balance again and do that for electricity as well. So the first of the month and then just balance. These ones are a lot simpler than the asset one because we've only got, they can only go up really. You can't have negative expenses. We've got the figure here as your wages figure. Wages is often quite a large figure. And remember our debit balance. And we've also got our opening balance for electricity, 68, 167.36. So type these in as well because our expenses are going to have a debit opening balance, right? Because it's where we put our money. Wages, the first one, will have probably a column of its own because wages is one thing that's going to be reoccurring, happening more than a month. So in the cash payments journal, we'd expect to have a column on of its own for wages. Remember, no GST on that. So because it's a column on its own, we're going to put the end of the month, 31st of the 3rd, and wages we pay money, so we're going to put bank. And the figure that we're after is 19,184.36. So normally on this, we'll just reference back to the total of wages in your cash payments journal. Because we've got a debit and a debit, it is increasing. So we started off with an opening balance of this amount. We added during the month another $19,000 worth of wages. And so our total of wages is going to be 282 at the end of the year. For electricity is a bit different because we only pay it once a month. So it will go in the other column or the sundry column of our cash payments journal. We can see electricity 2694.36. And what we do is we put that on the day the electricity happened because it's in the other column. And we type bank. Again, a debit and a debit, we add them up. Note that wages and electricity, both expenses, can only have debit columns. So there's nothing in the credit. We won't put things in there at all. And they're just increasing, so we add. That's all. On to the next one, which is expenses.